Hello, beautiful people. Today, I would like to share with you here on God Given 3 ways my life has changed dramatically since I stopped eating sugar. As many of you know on here, I did a video on how sugar can ruin your life or is bad for your health. And I talk about it a lot here on God Given. So anyway, once again, I was able to rid sugar from my life. I did not realize how bad it was making me feel. Man, I could not believe the burden that this sugar from like donuts, cupcakes, ice cream, cookies, candy, especially chocolate candy, one of my favorites. Yes, I love chocolate candy, just a little too much. Okay, so this sugar was like, ugh. I did not realize the sugar, the cane sugar, I'm talking about cane sugar, the white sugary powder or crystals that we eat, that we love so much. Okay, so I'm just so happy that I was finally able to kick the sugar habit. And I'm not going back. It's not worth it. So 3 ways my life has changed since I stopped eating sugar. Number 1, I sleep better. I have much better sleep. I have been struggling with insomnia for months, for years, about the last 2 to 3 years, because I started eating sugar again somewhere around 2020 or 2019. Somewhere I started eating too much sugar again back in my life, to my shame. I should have knew better. But anyway, so I started eating sugar again, and I did not realize how bad it was making me feel. And so once I kicked the sugar habit and I got it out of my life, it's like 95%, 90 to 100% sugar is out of my life. And so I don't have insomnia anymore. I'm able to sleep like a baby. I slept like a baby last night. I got some real rest. And I've been able to get real rest, some real sleep, deep sleep for 8 hours a night because I've stopped eating sugar. Number 2 is I have more energy. I actually have some energy now because before I was so exhausted and I had no idea it was the sugar. I was walking around I'm serious, just being so exhausted and tired. I mean, just tired beyond belief. And I'm like, yeah, I know I'm up in years, but I'm not no 100 years old. Why am I this tired? And so I was always tired, going to the doctor, telling them I'm tired, I don't have no energy. And so when I quit eating the sugar, my energy just came back. I was waking up in the morning tired. When I would get out of the bed, before I even sat up in the bed, I was like, oh, as soon as my eyes open, the first thing came out my mouth was, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I had no idea the sugar was doing this to me. So now I have energy all the time when I get up. It's like I'm excited now about the day. I'm excited about the day and what I'm going to do today and get my day started. And before I wasn't. I was just tired and I just wanted to sleep all the time. I just didn't have any energy. And so another thing I learned about sugar too is it'll make you depressed. And so I think that's what was happening. I didn't have energy mentally or physically. And so, yeah, now I have more energy since I kicked the sugar habit. That is another great way my life has changed since I stopped eating sugar. The other thing that happened that's huge, it's a huge blessing, is my focus is clear. I can concentrate now. And so I remember I kept losing my train of thought. I couldn't figure out what was happening to me. I'm like, I know I ain't got no Alzheimer's. What is up with my memory? And it was just hard for me to just focus and concentrate. And I have a lot of things to do that require concentration, deep thought. And I was not really able to do that. It was a struggle. I was doing it, but I just noticed now it's so much better. My focus, my thinking and everything is so much better, so much clearer. And that was not happening. And that's happening now. All these 3 great things have happened since I stopped eating sugar. And there's some other things, but since for the sake of time, there are some other things that have happened to me. My immune system is better. I mean, just on and on since I kicked the sugar habit. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I did not realize that sugar was this bad. I knew it was bad. I knew it caused diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Just so many illnesses is caused by refined sugar, cane sugar. I just knew that, but I did not know it was that bad until I got off of it. I'm like, wow, it was taking away my life and my livelihood because of sugar, and it's just not worth it. I'm not eating it, and I'm good. So I just stick with the stevia, agave, natural fruits, juices, sugar from fruit. That's what I'm eating. That's what I'm sticking with. Okay, I want to share that with you today. Okay, God bless you. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chat with you later. Bye-bye.